Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Scott Wanger and I'm going to show you guys the Indian head scent book that I have. So this book is the Flying Eagle Indian head scent from 1857 to 1909. I have a couple. I just got this book, so these are the Indian head scents I got so far. And I got two in here already. And I'm just pretty much going to put these in and let's move this cup out of the way. And let's move my penny cup out of the way. So I'm just going to put them in and tell you guys the details on the book. I love coin collecting. It's a hobby of mine among 1,000 other different hobbies. So, with that being said, I haven't been too big on Indian heads. I like Indian head pennies, but I just, never really got into it. I've been more into the silver coins. So, I put in 1863, and 49.8 million of them were made. 1888, 37.5 million were made. This one is 1890. And I'll show you guys up close what they look like. 57.2 million Indian heads were made in 1890. This is 1887, so I'm putting my hand here so the focus can change. Alright. Where were we? 1887. 45.2 million were made in 1887. We got 1906. 96 million were made in 1906. That's a lot of pennies. 1905, 80.7 million were made. 1904, 61.3 million were made. 1903, 85.1 million were made. 1902, 87.4 million were made. 1889, 49.8 million were made. 1901, 79.6 million. 1893, 46.6 million. 1892, 37.6 million. 1899, where are you at? 53.6 million were made. 1900, 66.8 million were made. Let's see. 1898, 1898. You know what, did I put... I might have double here. Let's see. Oh, whoops. I put the wrong one in. This is 1889. So now, to get it out, you just go in the back and you press. But you don't want to press too hard. This is 1889. So, 48 million. So, here we go. Now let's put this one in. 1898. And I'll give you, over here it says some details about the coins, so I will let you guys know on that. We got 1897, 50.5 million. 1896, 39.1 million. 1888, oh wow, guys, I am like all over the place here. This is 1883. 1883, 45.6 million, and 88, I already had that in there. Last but not least, 1907, with 108 million 0.1. So it looks like after 1907 it dropped down. I mean, 1908 was 32 million, and then 1908S mint mark is only 1.1 million. 1909 14.4 million, and 1909S 309,000. So that's what I got so far. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20. We got 20. I'm going to go ahead and read the text now. So, Flying Eagle and Indian Head Scent. As the era of the Flying Eagle and Indian Head Scent began, change was in the air, and with it, conflict. The North was rapidly, and its systems of wage labor, industrial. Okay. Actually, you know what, guys? I'm actually gonna do a whole other video on the coin itself. So you guys are gonna have to subscribe and stay tuned for more. Until then, this has been my book. If I come across any more, I'll show you guys how they look. So take care and have a great day.